Shinto is the traditional religion of Japan, and it's not like many other religions. In Shinto, there's no single god sitting in the sky. Instead, they believe that spirits called kami live in every part of nature. The wind has a spirit, a tree might hold a soul, a mountain is sacred, even a rock can be holy. It's a belief that says everything around you has life and must be respected. People visit Shinto shrines not just to pray, but to connect with nature. You'll see red torii gates, sacred trees with ropes around them, and people offering water, rice, or coins, not to statues, but to nature itself. Shinto teaches that if you respect nature, nature will bless you back. It's not just a religion, it's a way of living with gratitude and harmony.